Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today I've got another very exciting DeWALT addition to the fleet. Let's take a look.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
Yeah, so if you've seen a few Dadskillz videos before, or you're new here, I've got a load of DeWALT tools, mainly 18 volt. Use them for work, and then because they're so versatile, and you can use these batteries, if you can get them off, you can use these batteries on all the bare units that they sell. So for instance, I've got a head trimmer, strimmer, all sorts of things other than my actual job. Really versatile. And today I've made another purchase that I'm hoping will save me having to spend 20p at the Shell garage all the time. Well, you know, every now and again. So let's take a look, shall we? There it is. Can you see what that is? It's the DeWALT DCC01BN. Have I got that right? DCC01. Oh, DCC018. That must be 18 volt. N, whatever that means. And it is the Tyre inflator. Now, I've had a previous one, and I've just sold it on eBay because I've got this. So I hope I've not been a bit premature on that. So I've got this. I thought, I haven't actually opened it yet, but it looks very versatile. I think you can use your 18 volt battery. So should we take a look? Right, so let's take a look. Now what we need is something to open it up with. I couldn't find a smaller knife. Sorry about that. Ooh, how exciting. Should we put the knife out the way now? It's like a child playing with matches, to be honest. Me with a knife. Right, here we go. Ooh. So we've got, as usual, a great big manual of such. So this is what? Something. That's obviously very important, that must be the instructions, which we may well keep. But then again, we probably won't. So this is it coming out of that, and that's it. The box is done. Goodbye, box. There she is. Oh, I think it's even got a torch in it. That's cool. So that's the front. What's all this play and pause? Torch on and off. What have we got over here then? So we've got. Oh, cool. So in there, in this side, we've got a lead that plugs into your 12 volt supply. What used to be a cigarette lighter, but now it's the 12 volt supply. So that's cool. So if you haven't got your battery, you've got that. Come on then.
Bedtime! Oh, Jesus Christ!
Excellent. Okay. Right, also on this side, we have. So that looks like it's threaded. And that turns, so I'm guessing, instead of, you know, those old clips on these sort of things that you normally get, we thread that on. That'll make quite a good connection, actually, I would have thought. Okay, that's cool. Where did that go? That goes up there. So we've got a few other bits. So this looks like, oh, that's pretty cool, actually. That's something you can blow a football up with. So that's what, I don't know if you remember or you've seen on old racing bikes, like push bikes. They've got quite small apertures to get air into. So that'll be that, an adapter. Yeah, that will screw into there. And then we've got this thing. So that's another cool thing. So that looks like it threads in to here. And now we've got ourselves a little air blower. That's cool, that's really cool. There's loads of stuff on this, that's great. So then, it looks like we've got an in and an out maybe, and I'm wondering if, that's amazing. Now I recognise these things are possibly the bane of your life when you go and stay with a friend or someone who hasn't got a bed. It's one of those bed inflators, isn't it? One of those Lilos. So, can that go on either? Yeah, that will fit in there. And it'll either fit in there. So one of those will be suck and one of those will be blow. That's fantastic. Okay, let's introduce a battery, shall we? Still stand up okay? That's cool. We've got a bar reading there. for the pressure you want to create. We've got an up and down. So turning this dial all the way, see how much pressure we can get to. So what have we got to? We've got a maximum there of 11.03 bar. So let's see what that's like. Jeez. Ooh, that's nice. Keep me cool in the summer. That button up there is either this for your tyres, or it's then the blower, which is this bit at the side, which we'll have a look at in a minute. Put that in there. Right, last thing before we take a look at the other pump on the other side then. We are going to turn this light on. Are you ready? Ooh, yeah, cool. Yeah, okay, that's suck. That'll be useful when you're taking down your lilo. And what about this one? I'll see you down at the car. Right, so I've found a random wheel. So I'm guessing when you set this bar, that's how much you want to go in. Just going to put a bit of air in it and see what happens. Oh, I see. So it's actually telling us what's in there at the minute. Oh, that's clever. And it wouldn't press go because there was too much in it. So it's saying there's 1.83 bar in there at the minute. And if I press that, it won't do it because it says it's full as it is. Okay, so let's go up here somewhere. So now we're obviously about there somewhere. So now we're half as much pressure as we want. So let's set it going. And you can see it climb in there. Excellent, that's really good. Right. So that's great. That's another great addition, I think, to the old DeWALT fleet. Very versatile, and that should come in very handy. So look, if you're into tools, power tools, bare units, reviews on bare units, the video for this, which is another super useful DeWALT tool, another very versatile tool, that's on screen now. Take a look at that. I think you'll enjoy that. And I'll catch you again real soon. Cheers. We could also do with a thumbnail, you know what I mean? So we've got to do something like that, maybe. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Which one should I do? Should I look stupid in a thumbnail or not? Or DeWALT, yay for the boys!